Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the right ways to fix iPhone not backing up to iCloud despite having enough storage. iCloud backup keeps your data safe, but sometimes the backup process fails or gets stuck without any rhyme or reason. If your iPhone isn't backing up to iCloud, don't worry at all. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to talk about the 4 proven solutions to help you fix the problem and help you back your iPhone to iCloud without any glitches at all. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to check the iCloud storage space on your iPhone. Note that one of the most common reasons backups fail is the insufficient storage, so make sure to tick off this important requirement without any fail at all. So just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to tap on the Apple ID banner located at the top. Then you have to choose iCloud and hit the Manage Storage option. If the storage is full, make sure to delete the old backups. Also remove unnecessary photos, videos, or app data. And make sure to upgrade your iCloud plan if needed as well. Once the space is available, try backing up again. Then I will recommend you to ensure there's stable Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that iCloud backups require a strong internet connection. Therefore, make sure that your device is connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Once you have connected your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi connection, go to the Settings app and tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. After that, choose iCloud, and then you have to scroll down to find the iCloud backup option and select it. Then you have to tap on Backup Now option. Now make sure to wait until the process finishes without any interruptions at all. If your iPhone is still unable to back up to iCloud, I would recommend you to sign out and sign back into the iCloud account because it has long been a highly effective solution. So just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. Then you have to tap on Sign Out and confirm it. After that, you have to restart your iPhone and sign back in using your Apple ID. After logging in, enable iCloud Backup and try again. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your iPhone and also reset the network settings. Note that outdated software or network glitches can also block the backups. Therefore, make sure to try out these reliable solutions as well. Just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to select the software update option and download and install the latest version of iOS on your device. After that, you have to head over to the Settings app, choose General, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, choose Reset. Then you have to select Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. Don't worry, it won't delete any of your data, but will reset Wi-Fi passwords. And that's about it. Once you have successfully reset the network settings on your iPhone, connect your device to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network and try to back up the device to iCloud to check whether or not you have gotten the better of the problem. Hopefully, you have managed to resolve the issue and your device has started to back up to iCloud seamlessly without any glitches at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.